bright morning star, if you can see it. First star in the sky relates to Jesus being the bright morning star, I believe. Got a little snow. Wow. Somebody's been on the runway. Wow. Huh. We came out here yesterday in a full-blown blizzard, and I'm from Indiana, so I know blizzard, and I didn't even think about it. Didn't even think about the dog. It was too cold for the dogs. It was 29 degrees. It was stupid. And Ollie, he's fine. He's covered in fur, but Charlie and Coop, they're freezing. I guess I didn't even think about it. And so we went down this way a little bit against the wind, walking backwards because it was so windy. Me and my son Corey came with me for the first time. And what an experience for the first time, man. What a dog. And so we get down here a little ways and turn back, and the dogs start heading home. Charlie leading the way. So I'm going, I think you've seen one of my videos. We assume that, I said I assume they went home. I was hoping the dogs went home, but you never know. So anyway, that moon, cool, huh? We got home and Charlie the gate's locked, right? So Charlie's not there. And we're going, oh, shit. So, first thought I got was something about he's inside, but I thought, well, can't be inside, the gate's locked. So, immediately turn back around. Corey and I come back out here, and we are frantic because my hands are starting to hurt. And I know if my hands are starting to hurt, he's got a strong chance of freezing to death. And I was like, wow. I was trying to hold it together, but on a scale of 100, I think I had a 50%. So in situations like that, man, you got to watch your thoughts, you got to watch your words for sure. And just the smartest thing to be is just to shut up and listen. Because that first thought I had, of course, we're out here in the freaking blizzard. I can't even use my phone because I didn't want to get full of snow and quit working because I didn't know, whatever. But my son's, he went ahead and got on his and called back to the house, woke my wife up, and told her to look for Charlie. So she's looking for Charlie, and we're out here freezing our ass off, thinking, oh boy, you know, I'm not even going to say what I was thinking or what I said out loud to my son. So, anyways, about freezing to death, you know what I'm saying? Conversation, Jesus. And so he's going one way and I'm going the other way, looking, checking the footprints because nobody had been out here. And my wife calls and says she wasn't sure what dog because she's half asleep. You know, Charlie or Ollie, right? She wasn't real sure what he said because she's standing there looking at Charlie. And so finally, going back and forth. You mean Charlie, the one we give shots to because he's diabetic. That one. You know, my son's going, yeah, You know, treating real mean. I'm sorry about that. So, so she walks back into the house and sees all 4 dogs. And what had happened apparently is, Ollie, I can't go any farther. I'm too old. Until I get in a med bed and I'm made 30 years younger or 60 years younger or 50 years, whatever. I'm going for 26. Anyway, he had nosed his way at the bottom of the gate and pushed it far enough to get in and was in the house the whole time. Never done that before. Apparently he was freezing. And he knew it was warm in that house. And so he pushed the bottom of that gate open far enough to get in, is all we can figure. And he was in the house the whole time. While we're out here risking death. So I didn't bring Charlie and Cooper today. I just brought Ollie. But anyway, it does snow in South Carolina sometimes. It's 31 degrees right now. Ollie! So hopefully it'll get up to above 32 and melt this shit off. My kids had fun yesterday, and my wife, all playing in the snow, as you can see on videos. I didn't film them. Had a hood of a minivan. They hooked a rope to it, and there he is. Hey, Ollie! And we're pulling each other behind a four-wheeler on a hood of a car. We've always seemed to pull something behind the truck or whatever. So they had fun. And the little baby, Aspen, he got to see snow for the first time. And so that's always good memories. I didn't bring my gloves today, so my hands are freezing. Anyway, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, watch Michael Salla, Dr. Michael Salla's video for today. They found another one of those arcs. They're spacecraft from the ancient past with very advanced technology on board, which ET is apparently chosen now to start revealing to the inhabitants of Earth. How long it's going to take for it to fully come out, who knows? But their ETs definitely making themselves known. Nice trailer. Shit just shows up here. It's weird. See my house? My house is down there in the woods. Can you see the light? I don't know. Anyway, so ET's presence being made known is a big deal right now, and in the draining of the swamp, we can't see what all's going on there. Apparently, when Trump was doing his speech, see Tarot by Janine, apparently when Trump was doing his speech, on the monitor behind him, the words Nasara or Jasara or both went across the banner. And then they were waiting for him to say the storm is upon us. That's the signal that it's a go. Well, he kept referring to a number, I think it was 355, and in Gematria, something that means something about storm. So he may have said it in code. So who knows? I just wish he would get on with it. Now I've lost another dog. Oliver! Ollie! Shit. What the fuck is the deal? Oliver! Ollie, what are you doing? You trying to scare the shit out of me? You're doing a good job. Okay, well that's it. The wintry palace of Taylor's. See, there's the house. Taylor, South Carolina. Look at that. See the snow in the fence? That's how much it was blowing. But I gotta turn this off because if I try to cross that log with this camera in my hand, I ain't gonna make it. Okay? So, have a fine day.